Hi viewers, today I would like to show you how to add portraits watch face to Apple Watch. This is Apple Watch Series 6 and watchOS 8. First, from your connected iPhone, open Watch app. Tap Face Gallery from bottom menu. Here you will find portraits under New Watch Faces section. Tap Portraits. Select photos and tap choose photos. You can select up to 24 pictures that you want to add to this face. So select pictures that you want to use. Tap add when ready. Scroll down to style. You can select classic, modern or rounded. You can choose complications for top and bottom. For bottom, I'm selecting battery. Tap add when ready and the portraits watch face will be added to your Apple Watch. That's it. These are the steps to add portraits watch face to Apple Watch. watchOS 8. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.